Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully you've already subscribed to my channel. We are going to be learning today about dividing with remainers. So on the board here I have a number 430, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 436. Now I'm going to be sharing this with 3 people. So to do this, I'm going to write the equation down underneath here. 436, and I'm going to be sharing with 3 people. So to do that, to make it easier for myself, I'm going to 1 person, 2 person, and a 3rd person. Just so I can see where I'm sharing it with. Now we always start with our highest place value. My highest place value at the moment is the hundreds. So I grab my hundreds. And I share my hundreds between the 3 people. 1, 2, and 3. Each person has got 100 each. How many do I have left over? I've got 100. So that 100 gets carried down here. And that means that 100 gets turned into tens. So in 100, I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So I've got 10 tens is what my 100 turns into, which is why it's next to the 3, and it becomes 10 plus 3 equals 13. So now I've got 13 tens here. I need to share them between 3 people. I can just skip count and go 3, 6, 9, 12, and I can tell each person will get 4 and have 1 left over. But I can also share them out as well. And I was right, each person has got 4 tens, and I've got 1 left over. So 4 goes up the top, that 1 left over gets carried into the ones column, and this 10 is turned into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's turned into 10 ones. So 10 plus 6 equals 16, which is what I have over there. So now I've got 16 ones. I can then share them between the 3 groups. I can skip count, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That means each person gets 5, and I've got 1 left over. But I'll double check and share them. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and that's right. Each person's got 5 and remainder 1. So I've got 1 left over, so I put 1 next to it. Now, I'm going to give you a question and I would like you to have a go. Your question is going to be, I have 547, and you're sharing between 2 people. Have a go at that question and I will then go over it. Okay, you have had plenty of time now. If you haven't, just make sure the video is paused so we can go over it. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my number. Got 500. One, two, three, four. 4 tens, and I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 ones. Because I'm sharing with 2 people, I'm going to have 2 groups over here. So I start off with my biggest place value. My biggest place value is my hundreds. I've got 5 hundreds. If I'm sharing between 2 people, I can skip count. 2, 4. Each person's going to get 2, and I should have 1 left over. Well done, I've got 1 left over. Each person got 2, and I have 1 left over. If we remember correctly, that 100 gets turned into 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 there. So that means I've got 10 plus 4 equals 14. So I've got 14 tens. Now, if I've got 14 tens, I'm sharing with 2 people. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So that means that each person gets 7. So we'll double check that. And I shouldn't have any left over. 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I've got 7 up here, and I've got 7 down here, which equals 14. Then the next one I do is I've got none left, so I go to the next column after I've put 7 up the top, and I've got 7 ones. If I've got 7 ones and I'm sharing between 2 people, 2, 4, 6, each person should get 3 each. Let's double check that. 3, 6. Oh, I've got 1 left over. Remainder 1. Hopefully you got that answer and you're starting to understand dividing with remainers. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep on touching base with me with all my updates with my videos.